Hi guys, good morning everybody. Well, good afternoon, good night if depends what time you're watching us. Just wake up. Just finished getting ready. About to go to work now. I feel a little bit sick. I feel here something's coming, so I'm gonna try my best to take care of me today. Took everything, syrup, um, things to put in your mouth. I took like soap to wash my hand as often as I can. Will try to do my best to come back better than I am right now. Hope I'm not catching anything. Yeah. Except that's the last week before Christmas. So yeah. Feel tired, but I guess we all tired in this end of the year. Have been a very long year, but yeah, it's soon the end. Just have to give my last chant, and yeah, next week gonna be better for sure. Enjoy to the vlog. Gonna have a lot of fun.
Go and sit. Go. Sit. Sit. You have to set all the pillows properly first. Sit, baby, sit. It's not broken. Sit. Sit. Ty, sit. Oh, Lord have mercy. Take out the pussy. Take out the pussy. Drink your tea. Mama going to turn on the TV for you. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it's a brand new morning. Pink ice cream truck. Yes, come here. Look. Say good morning, faves. He's doing colors, of course. Some learning things. Blue truck.
The big truck.
Blue truck, bravo.
The big truck.
Blue truck.
Blue truck.
You guys, I'm getting ready to go to my happy place, which is working out right where I'm sitting on this treadmill. So baby's off to work and I'm about to get a good little session in before I get my day really started. Wake up and feed my little nugget. Of course he's into chocolate milk these days, so when he woke up this morning he told me, Mama, tea. He called it tea. He says he wanted tea, so I gave him that and gave him his porridge after, and now it's my time. to go work out now that he's all set. He won't bother me until I finish workout. He have his learning thing on the TV, so he'll be good to go. Make sure you guys doing whatever it takes to get your workout in. It's actually 1 year this month since I really started taking workout seriously, and it's been a year since I stopped eating carbs, as in really cut it out of my diet. So I stopped eating rice and potatoes. I just have those things on occasion, like if I'm out and I want a little taste. Red school bus. If I'm out and I want a little taste, I'll have, but I really cut it out of my diet. Stop cooking it all together. Red school bus. Yeah, you guys, so it's been the best decision I've ever made. I feel so better. Arrow. This boy, he'll go and tell me everything that he sees coming. A black car. Alright, Mama is going to work out. Can Mama get kissed? She's going to work out. I'm going to work out. I'm going to run. Yeah. Okay? Mama is going to run. Red ice cream.
What?
Red ice cream.
What? Ice cream. Yeah, it's a big. It's the blue. It's the blue ice cream.
Blue ice cream. Make sure you guys have an amazing day. Give this video a thumbs up if it's the first time watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yes, baby. Green ice cream. Good job. That's my little nugget. He's something else. He doesn't give up a chance to learn. Look at him. Tyler, don't stand so close in front of the TV. Go and sit. Ty, sit.
Pink ice cream.
Yes, baby. Pink ice cream. Lord have mercy. You guys, that's a wrap and a workout, and I'm always multitasking, so I'm not even changed yet, shower, nothing. I have to jump right into the kitchen because that's just how I have to get things done. I'm going to put some of this seasoned chicken into this pan and let it bake so babe can have dinner later when he gets home. You want more tea?
This one.
More tea? More tea? Little man wants some more tea, so Mama coming. Mama gonna give you some more tea. So I'm gonna make him some more tea. Drop this chicken into the oven. Let them bake while I put some laundry out and take a shower. So I'm on a roll as usual. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day, like I am having an amazing day. Whew. I'm out of breath. I'm tired. Workout was a bomb as usual. Make sure you guys get your workout in. Do something positive. Just snap out of negativity. Just do something that make you pumped like I am. Do something. And for me, it's always working out. It works. Try it. You might thank me later. What? Take it up. You make it gone under there? Oh no. Alright, come. Mama gonna get it for you. Come. Get up. You guys, it's lunchtime for somebody. It's lunchtime. Tell us lunchtime. What are you having for lunch? What is this? Tell her. What is this? Yeah, and what is this? Huh? Yeah, that's what Tella is having for lunch. Quinoa and ham. Ham the real French way. And quinoa. So he's gonna eat and then go down for a nap, so Mama can get a little work done within the next hour and a half before I can leave home. Hot. Say nom nom numbers. Okay, you guys, so dinner is officially done. This is the oven roast that I made, and it's going with veggies. So dinner is ready, and we're all good to go. Who is awake? You want pants? Alright, let's go put on pants. Come, let's go put on pants. Come. Little Nugget is awake, you guys. Come, let's go put on pants. You're awake, give me a kiss. I love you. Pants and underwear. And shoes. And then we're gonna take the bus. How you know? How do you know we're gonna take the bus? Yeah. Guys, so I realized that I had went to work that day, and I got home, went to bed, and didn't even finish the vlog. So I'm just coming on right now to end the vlog. Tyler, say hi. Tyler, say hi. So I'm just coming on right now to end the vlog. I'm just gonna jump in and give you guys a Jamaican expression and a French expression real quick. Babe, what's the French expression?
The French expression is avoir une dent contre quelqu'un. Avoir une dent contre quelqu'un.
Okay.
Simply mean to have teeth against someone. Mean when you're mad, when you're angry at someone, you say to have teeth against this person. For example, I'm mad at you, but really mad. J'ai une dent contre toi. But something really mad, really mad. Like you want revenge.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to give the Jamaican expression roll off that one, but first let me say the French expression.
Avoir une dent.
Avoir une dent.
Contre quelqu'un.
Contre quelqu'un.
Yeah.
These French expressions with the R. So the Jamaican expression roll off this one would be may have a beef with you.
Me have a beef with you.
Yes.
Okay. So I have a
Where's the car? What you want? Mama not going in the car now. Tell her want me to go to the car.
So I have a teeth and you have a beef. So we can go together.
Yes, that works. So me have a beef with you means you and I in an argument or have a fight.
Okay.
Yes. So there you guys have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Though it wasn't much, but we still had to come on and try and end it. Alright, you guys. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Of course. Bye, guys.